Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to see the next slide while presenting in Keynote on your phone. Let's get started. First, open the Keynote app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Now, select the presentation you want to show. Next, tap the play button at the top to start the slideshow. So, by default, you will see your current slide full screen. To see the next slide in advance, tap anywhere on the screen at once. Just tap anywhere on your screen at once. Next, tap the three dots and tap on view option. Now tap on outline. Here you can see the current slide on one side and the next side the slide right next to it. If you swipe right or left, you can also change how the view is arranged. For example, showing notes below your current slide with the next slide beside it. This way, as you present, you always know which slide is coming up next without the audience seeing it. When you are done, just tap the screen again and choose exit or done, and that's it. Now you know how to see your next slide while presenting in Keynote on your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.